as a profession, I work in an organization as a CEO, and I think this task of CEO is the most pressure task. So everything which goes wrong is the responsibility of the head of the organization. So
True.
that pressure and in history, I had a stunt stroke somewhere in 2017, 18, and almost 8, 9 years now. I had been on medications of heart along with the BP medication. So in this last 10, 12 months of journey, I was able to eliminate my BP medication from the
Wow.
my entire
Congratulations,
list of
Harpreet.
medicines. So that is a great achievement. So prior to this, whenever I used to go to my cardio, one or two medication was added as the age was growing. So, but this is the first time in history of last 8, 9 years that a medication is reduced. My doctor, he did not see much of the test report. Just seeing my face, he could recognize that yes, there is a lot of change in this person. So by seeing my
Right.
face only, he reduced my medication. BP was
Wow.
also perfectly right.
Great, great.
I also feel a lot of energy now. There were a lot of negative thoughts, so I'm able to manage all those negative aspects, negative impressions. So I think pressure still remain there, but it does not bother me the way it used to bother me earlier. So I'm
Right.
able to maybe work better. I'm able to live better. So that is what is the I think the biggest achievement, and whatever you guide and your way of teaching is also superb. My wife, she is also very fan of you. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you so
So,
much, ma'am. I think it's been an incredible journey.
thank you. Thank you so
I
much,
never imagined
Harpreet.
that just a random click on some Facebook or Instagram would take me here.
Yeah, we don't know how we are destined to meet, right?
Yes.
And so, Harpreet, the one question to you. What was that one thing that really helped you? Can you just highlight one or two things that really helped you?
There are a couple of things, ma'am. The meditation part is something which helped me a lot.
Okay.
So the way you are able to drive us to the out of our current world, I think that is
Mm.
amazing. And there are certain particular in particular chakra healing is super. Home meditation is amazing. Shivaratri meditation was ultimate. So I think
Um, Say one thing or advise one thing to everybody out here. Like, what is the one thing that they can start doing and get results like how you have got? What would you say?
the one thing is follow what you are saying.
Okay. All
Your
right.
voice is soothing. Whatever you say, teach. Even the Gita lessons are amazing. So I implemented some Gita lessons in my work profile in my organization as well. So
Oh, wow. Great.